driving off into the water. He's a goner. All right, guys, we're out here day 3 of 3. About to hit up Croom. We didn't actually go back to the campsite last night. We just kind of figured we already had the coordinates for the trails around Croom, and we don't have a full day since everything stops at 5 and we have to get back home anyway. We figured Croom is a good option. I've been out to Croom before. It's pretty nice. We're just gonna go ahead and splash around. Now, this is the entrance to Croom. All right, we're doing this. First thing I did, I forgot what car I was in here, and I just kind of drove straight into a mud puddle. So we're just kind of floating here. Next time I'm gonna plow it. That was a mistake. I shouldn't have gone so slow. You stopped, kind of? And then you were just like, all right, we'll keep going.
That was like quarter throttle. I didn't want to gas it too much.
Driving off into the water. He's a goner.
And I backed up a little bit. That headlight was actually like...
Oh, I see it, yeah, which is probably where your airbox is, too.
No, it's on the left side.
Well, that's good, at least.
Yeah.
I'm glad I didn't try it. It's gotta be like the coolest bike trail I've ever seen. It's just right in the middle of Croom. We're literally on an off-road trail on both sides. And then just a beautiful bike trail going right through the wildlife management area. There you go. Just gonna step back. Oh.
Yeah, you might want to stay behind a tree or something because it's not very controllable.
All right, guys, and that's a wrap of our gambler adventure. We're heading back home. Ended up hitting actually a lot of Croom today. Yeah, we could have. There's a few more spots we could have gone, but I mean, for the most part, we did the loop around the outside. Good puddles. Nice soft, a little bit of soft sand, but it wasn't quite as soft.
I got stuck for the first time in the weekend.
Yeah, you did get stuck. Oh man, we got you out though. Surprisingly, the Ranger's actually able to pull you out. I was not expecting, because every time you try to pull me out in two-wheel, it hasn't worked. But I tried to pull you out. And
You were on the hard ground, and
Yep.
Rangers just got that grunt, that low end grunt, pull it out.
Yep. So, all right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. The Michigan one coming up next month.